Hello viewer from YouTube, you're about to watch an extract from my Work Faster with InDesign course, which as you would imagine is a course that will get you working faster with InDesign. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to watch the whole thing, then you can access it by clicking the link below.
Whilst we're talking about navigation, just a couple of other little tricks. So firstly, you know already the W key hides the guides, but if you do Shift and W, it takes you into so-called presentation mode. So a couple of great reasons why you'd use that. One is that you can see the image is high quality, which tells you that the image on the right is good quality, the image on the left isn't. Secondly, it gives you kind of full screen mode, so you can see what's going on. So if you were going to give a presentation to someone, you could. But best of all, if you've got a multi-page document, as this is, if you were to use the up or down arrows on your keyboard, you can go back and forward. So it's a quick way of jumping between pages. It's not the only way, but it is a way of doing it. Okay, so you get into presentation mode by doing Shift W. You can use your up and down arrows, and then when you're ready to leave, press Escape.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other videos on the same theme, they're in this same playlist. If you want to watch the whole course, you can click on the link below to access that. And of course, if you want to subscribe and like, then that would be great.